the image was in the same folder and HTML file is also in the same folder, so that's why we got the image here. So now we are going to learn if the image is not here but image is inside other folder, like we have here created a images folder. Inside we have 3 images, so the image is here and our HTML file is here. So how to give the correct path? So just drag and drop and you will see here we got the path. Hello friends, welcome to Octocoder. We are learning about image tag, how to insert image in our web page. So in the previous lecture we learned how to take images from Google and how to give the correct path of the image. So we learned in the previous lecture, and we also learned image and HTML file are in same folder, so we don't need to give any path, just give the image name and that's it. So that we learned in the previous lecture. So like this we got the output. The image was in the same folder and HTML file is also in the same folder, so that's why we got the image here. So now we are going to learn if the image is not here but image is inside other folder, like we have here created a images folder. Inside we have 3 images, so the image is here and our HTML file is here. So how to give the correct path? So now we will learn that. So let's create a new image tag, and what we used to do, let's go to inside the images folder. So what we used to do, just copy the image name whatever we have given. So let's copy this name and just paste it here and then give the extension of the image. What is the extension of this image? If you want to know, then right click and the properties, and you can see here type of the file. Here you can see png, so give the .png and save the file, open in the browser and refresh. But here image is not displayed because our image and HTML file is not on the same folder, so that's why the image is not displayed. And this image is displaying because this image and our HTML file is on the same folder. Here is the HTML file and then here is the output pic image we have given here, so that's why this image is displaying on the browser. But image like this path we have given here also, but that is not applied here because this image is inside other folder. So how to give that path? For that we have here 2 methods. Now let's go to the image folder. Where is our image? And this is image. Now you can right click on this image and go to the properties, and you will see here is the path. See, you can copy this path and paste it here, save the file. But here the problem is we got the path but we didn't got the image name. So let's give our image name what we have here, copy that name. Be careful when you are giving the paths. So copy that name and paste it here and the extension png, and then save the file. Now refresh the browser and see we got the image here now. So let's give height and width, height 400 pixel, width 400 pixel. Save this file, refresh the browser. So see, so this is the absolute path of the drawing. So if you can't find the image path, we have another method, like this is an image and we have this web address bar. So here you can go and copy this address bar and then paste it in our HTML file, but this is also doesn't working, nothing is working, you can't find the path. Then we have another method and that is the best method. So open this image on the browser, you can drag and drop here whatever you have browser, just drag and drop and you will see here we got the path. You can see in the search bar here we got the whole path of image, and then copy the path and then delete this one and then paste it here. Here we got the whole absolute path. We got this also. We don't need this one, but it will work. So let's save this file. So refresh the file. So that's it, nothing changes. So we got the correct path. This is called absolute path. We also don't need this one. We can delete this and save the file and refresh it. So that's it. This drawing drawn by myself. This is a blue pen drawing I draw a few years ago. So I love this drawing. I'm also artist, so hope you like this drawing. So that's how to give path. And then there is another method to give path. So let's copy this image tag and paste it here. So we have given here absolute path, and now let's give relative path. Just give the dot and then images, the folder name and the image name. So let's save the file. So refresh the file now and you can see. So see, we got the image. This is a relative path and this one is a absolute path. So that's it guys. That's how to give correct image path. So in the next lecture we will learn how to convert image into links. So stay tuned with the Octocoder.